Good morning, first graders. So, this morning we just asked your own tally sheet question or survey question, and you should be counting your classmates' answers. Now, after making or finishing your tally table, you should make your picture graph. Okay? What or how can you make your picture graph? Well, to do this, you need to finish your tally table first. For example, with my question, the one that I asked or the example that I gave, I asked, what is your favorite matter? Okay, write smaller than me, okay? Ayla is joining us today, but she should not join us now, huh? What is your favorite matter? The responses can be solid, liquid, or gas. Okay, I'm only using three, and that's okay. If you don't have any more choices, you don't have to make a lot. Okay, now let's pretend, it's just pretend, it's not the real answer. Okay, let's pretend that three people chose solid. Nine people, yes, Ayla, don't forget your five, how to cross out the five. Nine people chose liquid. And maybe two people chose gas. Okay, this is just pretend. This is not the real answer to your tally survey. And that means you will write the total 3, 9, and 2. Okay? Now, to make your picture graph, first put a title. And my title is Favorite Matter. For you, it can be favorite stickers or liking babies or liking shapes, favorite shapes. And that's what you can put, okay? Ayla is looking for some some porridge. Ayla, go to daddy first. Mommy is not yet done. Okay. Now, next, you need to be making a photo or a picture because a picture graph has picture. It's not just numbers or words, it should have pictures. Not this picture, but another one. So let me make a new picture for you guys. For if I'm thinking about solid, what picture can represent solid? What picture can I use? And I'm choosing to use a triangle. Okay? That means solid. Now, what picture can I use for liquid? I'm choosing to use waves. Okay, just like water, waves. What picture can I use for gas? I'm choosing to use air. I wonder how. So let me just make lines like this for air. Okay? If three people chose solids, how many triangles should I draw? Of course, I should draw one, two, and 3 to show that 3 people like solids. How many people chose liquid? A lot. A lot of people like liquid for their matter. Then I will draw how many waves? I should draw 9, okay? How many do I have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 waves. Because 9 people like liquid. And how many people like gas? From my survey question, 2. And 2 people should like or likes gas, so I should draw 2 gases. That's 2 wind blowing. Uh-oh, I made a mistake. This should not be here. So that one is a mistake. Sorry, guys. So if you have eraser, of course you have to erase it. So don't use, let me just cross it out, okay? Sorry, I made a mistake. But if you make a mistake, you have to erase. So don't use markers like I do, okay? Sorry. Now, can you choose another image or another picture to represent your choices? Of course. You can choose any drawing that you think is the best. So this shows your solid. This shows your liquid. And this shows your gas. All right? Have a nice day and enjoy your bar graph, picture graph and survey tally sheet.